Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see Spotify Wrapped. The first step is to make sure the Spotify application is up to date or not. And if there is any update, just make sure to update it to the latest version. After that, just open up the Spotify application and you will see an option at the top right of the screen, and that's what you want to click on. We will then scroll a little bit down until we see the Spotify Wrapped, and just click on that option. We will then get on this page, and the next step is to click on this big banner here that says Spotify Wrapped. That's going to open this section where you can see your top music, your top artists, genres, and all that other stuff. But if you don't see that option for Spotify Wrapped in your application, don't worry, because I have a solution for you. We will exit the app and then open your web browser, go over to google.com, and in here you will type Spotify Wrapped. You will get couple of different search results, but the one you want to click on, Spotify Wrapped, and it is going to get you to this website. In order to get your Wrapped, scroll a little bit down until you can see this. Click here for your Wrapped. When we tap on that button, it's going to open up our Spotify application where we can see our Wrapped, and that's pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.